There are many tooth variables to control for when generating teeth. For example, you may want a pressure angle of 30 degrees. You may think this could only mean a 30-degree pressure angle is used for every tooth, but this is not strictly necessary. Non-circular gears are complex, as they possess far less symmetry than circles. Each tooth has a unique shape, and so what parameters are optimal may vary from one tooth to the next. You may find it optimal to increase the pressure angle to 35 in a region where you're not getting enough tooth contact, but smoothly transition to 15 outside of this region. Likewise, maybe you wish to blunt the tooth peaks, with some teeth blunted more than others, and maybe you want to blunt by distinct amounts on separate gears. This may seem like a lot of complexity, but for the user, all these variations are handled by the same mechanism. When a gear is selected, the controls to edit these variables are shown. You can switch the currently edited variable via the channel selection dropdown. Each variable is specified as a curve along the perimeter of each gear, which is shown as a series of green tick marks when the gear is selected. The width of each tick mark shows the magnitude of the variable at that position. Each curve defines the tooth variable as a function of its position on the gear. Note the value at the sample location is shown as I move the mouse around. Some variables, like pressure angle, are shared, meaning the curve you define on one gear defines the curve on all gears, so that the teeth mesh appropriately. Other variables, like the bluntness of the tooth peaks, can be edited distinctly on each gear. The steps to edit your tooth variables are explained in part 2 of this video.